other thing that I learned from Tony Robbins, and it made a whole change in my exercising. I'm going to exercise a few times every week. I don't know, 5 or 6 months already. The other thing is this. It's the power of association. So people, at least myself, I used to associate exercise with working hard, with doing something that's not pleasant. So how did I change that? I'll tell you how I changed it. I started listening to certain podcasts and to certain lectures when I was going exercise, when I'm exercising, that gives me, it stimulates my brain. You know, people say that the best business ideas comes a lot of times in the shower. I can say that in the last 5-6 months, my best business ideas come when I'm in the gym. I don't know why, but so I made a mind shift. Instead of saying I'm going to exercise, I'm going to work out on my brain, mental workout, my brain exercise. And I'm killing 2 birds in one shot, because as I'm doing the exercise, I'm also watching or listening to some lectures that give me food for thought in my business or in my life, whatever. And it makes such a difference. I'm looking forward for it because I love the lectures. I'm not looking forward to the exercise so much, but I know when I do the exercise, I'm going to listen to the podcast that I'm listening to, and that stimulates me. So every time after I leave the gym, I'm sitting and making so many notes of what I learned. And some of them I implement also. And it's not always what I learned. Sometimes just by listening, it gives me my own ideas. So, I'm now in the gym, working out. I love it. And I thought I'm going to share it with you. So it's another thing that I love to do in the gym, sharing with you nowadays. So it's a different association. You want to accomplish something amazing in your life, associate it with something that you love doing. And this way it's going to be much easier for you to get it done.